Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Saint-Germain-des-Prés, the new life of an apartment designed by Pierre Lacroix. On the left bank, this 18th century apartment once housed marvels that architect and designer Pierre Lacroix has brought back to life. By redistributing the space, he also anchored it in its time, revealing its palette from brushed stainless steel to majestic marble. He restored its splendor by reworking the rectangular arch and used the moldings of the old fireplace mirror to design new ones. Beyond catching the light, this all-over metal in the kitchen is a common thread. It climbs in gilding on the woodwork, dubs the headboard of the guest room and the sofa in the living room in brushed stainless steel, a piece designed by Pierre Lacroix for his timeless collection. The space of a passageway without much use was blocked to accommodate an elegant brass bar at the bottom of which the logs for the fireplace can be stored. The latter is a work of art in itself, custom designed. It extends over 2.80 meters in length and faces 3 immense windows.